Good evening, students. For HTML tutorials, today's topic is ordered lists. Ordered list is used to display the list in a order in a sequential manner. The tag which we use is OL tag, and another tag that we use that is called li tag. This li tag is used within OL tag, and the full form of OL tag is ordered list, and full form of li tag is list item. The attributes of ordered list are type, and the values are a, small a, Roman big, small Roman, and 1 2 3. If it will not use type, it will display in numerics 1 2 3, and start is any number value. Let's start our topic. This is the previous page that we have designed. From here I am deleting few of the lines. Delete, file, save, refresh. My dear friends and my dear students, I have to display the list of my 5 friends. BR. What is this BR? Break rule. The next is OL. Enter /OL. हम पहले बंद कर देंगे. Let's see. OL li. As I have told you over here that this li tag is used within OL tag. Let's see. So OL ordered list li Anil, enter li Vijay, enter li Ravinder, enter li Mukesh, enter li Seema, enter. Now I have to display the list of my 5 friends. So 1 2 3 4 5, and the last tag is OL that we have closed. File, save, refresh. I haven't used any attribute over here. You can see it displays the name of 5 of my friends: Anil, Vijay, Ravinder, Mukesh, and Seema. Important thing, we don't have to write BR because this is a list item 1 2 3 4. It will automatically come on the next line. Now the topic is attribute. The attribute is type. Let's see. I'll use the attribute type is equal to inverted commas a, file, save, refresh. Now the list appears as A, B, C, D, E. If I'll write small Romans, file, save, refresh, small Romans. The 2 more values were left, small a and capital A, and big Roman numbers. You try it yourself. If you have problem, you can ask me. Now another one. I'll write A. I want to start the value from K. START, start. So most of the time student write over here the alphabet, but as I have told you, you don't have to write the alphabet, you have to write the number value. What is the number of that? If I will count, so K will be the 11th alphabet. We'll write K 11. inverted comma close. We'll type A. Look here, type value is A, but the start value will be 11. File, save, refresh. It's come from KLMNO. Now, students, if I'll write small I, and over here 21, 21, file, save, refresh. It will start from 21. If I'll write small a and 25, so from which it will start now? Yes, Y. It will start from Y, save, refresh. Y, Z, A, A, because after that it will come A, 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 B, A, C. If you have worked on Excel, you may know that after Z it will be A, 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 B, A, C, and so on. My dear students, if I'll not use this type, and if I'll only write 25 or any other value, say 16, and file, save, and refresh. Look, I haven't used type, but I just write the 16 and starts from 16. Why it starts from 16? Because earlier I have told you that 1 2 is the default value. So dear students, this is the way we can give ordered list. I hope you must understand it. For any other query, you may contact me in school. I am there to help you out. Please try HTML and give your best. All the best, students. God bless you. Jai Hind.